all of your straight blind eyes, wide on my plastic toys. And when the cops close the fair, I cut my long baby hair, sold me a dog-eared map, and called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping, or lost you, American mouth, big bill, looming. Now I'm a fat house cat, cursing my sore blunt tongue, watching the warm poison rats crawl through the white fence cracks, kissing on magazine photos, those fishing lures thrown in the cold and the clean blood of Christ mountain stream. Have I found you, flightless bird, brown hair, bleeding, or lost you, American mouth, big bill, still going down.
Strong finish.
Thanks. The next song we'll be doing is called Heart on Fire by Jonathan Clay. It's actually from the same movie as another song that the girl before me played. Falling down, wanna begin but don't know how to let you know how I'm feeling. High on hope, I'm winning, and I won't let you go. Now we know I've been crazy for you all this time, kept it close, always hoping, with a heart on fire, heart on fire, heart on fire, heart on fire, hand in hand, sparkling eyes. Days are bright, but so are the nights. When I'm with you, I'm grinning. Once we were through, but now I'm winning. And I won't let you go. Now you know I've I've been crazy for you all this time, kept it close, always hoping, with a heart on fire, heart on fire, heart on fire, heart on fire. Let me walk through life with you. Everybody dreams of having what we do. Like a rolling thunder, pull me up from under, and I won't let you go. Now you know I've been crazy for you all this time, kept it close, always hoping, with a heart on fire, heart on fire, heart on fire, heart on fire. The next song I'm going to play is called Never Expire by Gosling. You told me words that will never expire. Watch what my body says when you're caught being a liar. I found words as staccato sounds, grinding my teeth, shoulders tightly wound. You told me words that I had once admired. Once I was sure that our love wouldn't change. Oh, how it's been so long, you're the only to blame. You gently weep while my forehead frowns, absent words keeping heartache pounds. You told me words that I no longer require, but your heart was the furthest thing away. When you told how you chosen to behave, and the false words you told me made haste. All the tales and secret ways that kept their pace. Talking of false shifting, blame from yourself. Caught in a mess of words when you shine on his help. Try to be safe while my anger swells. You've been unfaithful but my heart won't dwell. You told me words that will never expire. But your heart was the furthest thing away. When you told how you're chosen to